Hi guys, it's Dawn from MakeupClasses.com and welcome to Makeup Tip Monday number 13. Insert tissue around the collar before putting the cape on the client. The tissue prevents makeup, especially airbrush makeup, to get on their clothes. We always want to protect our clients' clothes because sometimes what they're wearing is the only thing that they have to wear, especially if this is an actress, actor, model, talent, someone that's going to be on camera, and it's a really important shoot. So you don't want to get any product on their clothes. Also, if you're working in the bridal industry too, most likely that person is not going to have on their dress, but they may have on a nice shirt or a nice outfit or another dress, and you really don't want to get makeup on their clothes. So keep that in mind. Number one, we never want to get makeup on our client. Now, when we put a cape on our client, we want to protect their skin from the cape. Now, sometimes makeup artists have a lot of capes and they can use a clean cape on each person that they're working on, but not necessarily, especially freelancers, right? Freelance makeup artists, you have one cape in your kit, and that's the cape that you're going to use on everyone for that day. So the trick is that you want to protect the skin from a used cape. So what I recommend is that you use some type of tissue or paper towel, and this is put in the collar of the shirt, and then the cape is wrapped around. So I'm going to just demo really quick how you would take two pieces of tissue. You may even go around the entire neck, especially guys who have high collars, or in my case today, I have a little bit of like a half turtleneck. So you really want to protect that from the cape. You want to protect the skin. If you don't have tissue, you can also use paper towel and fold that under the collar as well. So you really want to protect the skin from the cape with your paper towel. So I'll tuck this in all around and protect the skin. My favorite is using a neck guard. This is a tissue-like paper material, and it gets wrapped around the neck, and then the cape goes over that. And you want to snap your cape really snug around the neck, not too tight, but comfortable, but you really want to make sure that the neck is completely covered. And then of course you want to drape the cape across the body so all of the clothing is covered. And I think this cape is really cute. MakeupClasses.com. Well guys, I hope this makeup tip helps. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week on Makeup Tip Monday.